How is your mom?
She's fine.
There's a new this thing. Get money easy. Have you been to America, Switzerland?
What airport I'm not because
Don't worry, you even entered the airport. You know what happened? Let me tell you something. They are going to take you. They are going to go for prostitution and you are going to have money. Fast. Yeah. Okay. Good morning, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Khadijah. With me here is
only Olamide.
we are here to present you a topic called sex trafficking. It is worldwide. Okay, first, Lily, what's sex trafficking?
Sex trafficking is a human trafficking for the purpose of sexual exploitation.
It has been called a form of modern slavery because of the way victims are engaged into forced sexual acts. First, sex trafficking is the act of forcing or engaging someone to go for prostitution or any hard labor in another country in order to get money, and it's also a form of violation against women and girls. People that commit this sex crime is called sex traffickers. Really, what are the causes of sex trafficking?
Causes of sex trafficking, we have poverty. Some people they say that let us not do all this labor, let us at least just do simple one that will be able to even have more money than you don't know that it's not good making people directly force them on make them not make their future bright and e.t.c. to them damage their system like the way they are supposed to be, their thinking and e.t.c.
Okay, illiteracy. Some people lack of education, like sexual education, can lead to sexual trafficking because some people, it's not everybody that is illiterate, everybody, some people they have not been to school, so they think it's an easy way to get money. So we should not engage in ourselves in hard labor, we should just go and get money fast because some people they are saying it's a modern thing, trending, girls driving big cars, following sugar daddies, they see it's an easy thing to do.
Greed. Some people say, see she's making money, me I want to make more money than her. So, let me have more wealth than her, let me engage in that sexual thing that is not helping other people.
Social or cultural factors. Some culture, as a girl just reached 12 years old, they are going to force her that let her stop sleeping in her house, let her go and stay on her own, and they don't know that it's a really bad thing because some traditional rulers and some village, they don't know anything about education or sex education or anything like that.
War, when two countries or more they are fighting, people that are helpless, that are attacking them like they are using them for all this prostitution, all these things that are not good engagement in.
Yes, like the refugee. Some people will just brainwash them and just tell them that we are going to help you with shelters, follow us, and they don't know that they are taking them for prostitution or any illegal acts. Demand for